Auto-Tune EFX is Antares' latest release, a plugin designed specifically for sculpting distinctive sounding melodic textures with ease. It's a great addition to the Auto-Tune range, as it sits neatly in both price point and feature set between the full-fat Antares Auto-Tune Pro and the lighter Auto-Tune Access. Now in EFX Plus, you don't get the forensic graph mode that you get in Auto-Tune Pro, but you do get the main Auto-Tune engine, which is regarded by many as the best sounding creative tuning algorithm of all time. Though EFX Plus does feature fewer controls, but what Antares chose to leave behind are the basic main controls that you use in Auto-Tune Pro anyway, so you're not getting a bad deal there. In this video, we're going to take EFX Plus for a quick test drive to find out just how easy it is to take a bog standard sounding vocal, such as this one,
so close to danger,
and transform it into something a little bit more trendy sounding.
so far from what you once said.
First, let me give you a very quick tour of the UI. At the top, we've got the controls for the Auto-Tune component of EFX. We set the key, scale, retune speed. So the faster you have this, the harder the tuning sound will be. If you have this set to slower values, you're going to get more of transparent sounding tuning. Humanize does what it says on the tin. At the bottom, we have this keyboard. We use this to either include or exclude notes within the tuning scale. And in the middle here, we have the effects rack. Now, it's this section that makes EFX unique compared to the other Auto-Tune products. EFX is basically a preset-based effects engine. It includes over 100 very interesting textures, which are all editable here in this effects section and over here on the XY pads. So I'm just going to play through a section of this song, flick through some of these presets. Depending on how the preset sounds, I may bypass some of the effects here. Let's see what this can do.
So close to danger. They once split.
Quite like this preset. Let's adjust it.
So close to danger.
Filter first.
So far from what you once said. The scars and the
Let's add a bit of saturation.
they once split.
It's nice.
There you stand watching with no regrets.
Now if we want, we can blend that in with the dry original signal by using this mix control at the top here.
So close to danger. So far from what you once said.
Which is nice, but there's more to this plugin, which can unlock more creative opportunities for your melodies. If you click this Auto Motion tab there, we get this new display. I have to set this into Auto. We can flick through these patterns. Let's just try this on one of the backing vocals. And with Auto Motion. And we could just flick through patterns very easily. Play around with some of the styles. Yeah, I like the hard EFX mode. That's very nice. So all in all, EFX Plus is a very cool product indeed. Plenty of creative sounds available on demand. The price is reasonable. And I must say the learning curve is extremely shallow. What's not to like? Anyways, I hope you guys got something from this. For more information on Auto-Tune EFX Plus, do check out the Antares website. As always, thanks for watching. I'm Dan from Production Expert. I'll see you again soon.